Right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back with the market update, and there was an absolute carnage today in the market. S&P is down 1.5% and it is hitting the critical support level. This is a very critical support level. If we go below 64.80, then we can see some more pain in the markets, and it all depends on what happens with Iran war on the weekend. If Trump chickens out again, then we will bounce back, but otherwise we are going lower. There was more pain in Nasdaq. So Nasdaq was down more than 2% at one point, and now it's recovered a bit. NVIDIA was down more than 3.5%, but after market it's recovered a little bit. And I'm keeping an eye on the 165 level. If it goes below 165, then again we can see some more pain, and the next support level would be around 145-ish, this one here. AMD did perform better than NVIDIA today, and it was down only around 2%. Amazon was holding up quite well. It was only down 1.6%, and it is making higher low. Google was down 2%, but it's flat after market. Meta had a big move, 2.15%. It's again hitting the support level here. If we don't stop at 570, then we can go lower. I did sell a couple of put options on Meta this week. So one of them is for 560, and that's expiring on 10th of April, I think. And the other one I sold is for 520 level. We'll see how it goes and what happens to my put options. Microsoft was down about 2%, and it is trading at 382 after market. Tesla had a big move like NVIDIA. Both these stocks, they moved quite a bit with the market, so it was down 3.25%. Apple was very stable and it did not go down much, 0.4%. SoFi was okay as well. I think it's because it's holding at that support level. And Robinhood was down 4.5%. So it's hitting the levels we seen before. And then coming back to realty income, that's a strange one for my videos. I normally cover the big tech stocks, but this one's looking attractive, and I did sell a put option on 55 and collected $25 premium. I don't mind holding it at this level. I did have some shares and I sold them higher up, so I'm trying to accumulate them back again if we see the 55 level again. This market could go lower, so just be very careful how you trade it, because Trump just said that he's not going to do the ceasefire with Iran, and the war is escalating. And if the troops land on the weekend in Iran, then we are looking for a lot more pain in the markets than we've seen today. So oil prices are driving this market, and if you look at the oil prices, they are quite elevated. So Brent crude was up 4%, and the US oil was up 3%. Gold and silver been tanking as well. Gold was down 3.5% or 3.25%, and silver is down almost 7%. It is a very strange environment because gold and silver actually outperform in the war times, but as we've seen, they are falling with the market, and even more than the markets at this stage. Even Nasdaq was down 2% today, and gold is down more than 3%. So you can see how volatile metals are in this market. There are obviously fears of inflation going up, and the predictions are that we could hit $180 a barrel on the oil. If that happens, then the whole global economy will suffer a lot, and we will see a global recession. I personally don't think troops are going to land in Iran, but you never know, because this is a midterm election year, and I don't think Trump will do anything stupid to lose that election. Also, he doesn't have much support from the Congress or the public to do this war. So I don't think he will escalate this war, as Middle East is having a bad time as well, and they are putting pressure on him to end this war. Just a little disclaimer, this is not a financial advice. This is all my opinions and my trades, what I'm doing in the markets. If you like these videos, please hit the like and subscribe button and let me know in the comments below what you are buying or selling. And I'll see you next time.